Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll learn the working principle of an air circuit breaker or ACB step by step. An ACB is a type of circuit breaker that uses air as the medium to extinguish the arc. It's commonly used in low and medium voltage switchgear. The main parts of an ACB are the fixed and moving contacts, the arc chute, the trip unit, and the operating mechanism. During normal operation, current flows through the contacts. The trip unit continuously monitors the current. When a fault like overload or short circuit occurs, current rises sharply. The trip unit detects this abnormal condition. The trip unit sends a signal to the operating mechanism, which releases the latch, causing the moving contacts to open. As the contacts separate, an arc forms between them due to the flow of current through the ionized air. The arc chute splits and cools the arc into smaller parts, increasing resistance and finally extinguishing it. Once the arc is extinguished, current flow stops completely. The circuit is now safely isolated. The breaker now remains in the trip position, indicating a fault. It must be reset before use. After clearing the fault, the ACB can be reset and closed again for normal operation. To summarize: 1 keycap normal current flow. 2 keycap fault occurs. 3 keycap trip unit detects. 4 keycap contacts open. 5 keycap arc extinguished. 6 keycap circuit isolated. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more electrical engineering videos.